So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to install the Zapier plugin here on ChatGPT. So the first thing you have to do is open up ChatGPT. Once it is opened up, go to the top left, right beside where it says ChatGPT. I want you to press on this new chat icon right here to begin a new chat. Once a new chat is created, go to the top left where it says ChatGPT 4. This is the version of your ChatGPT. Select that. Then go to the bottom to where it says plugins. Select on that. Now in the top left again, beside where it says, where you just press where it says ChatGPT plugins, it now says no plugins installed. Select that option, scroll down to the bottom to where it says plugin store, and then press on that. And the easiest way to probably do this is through the ChatGPT, through the plugin store. Go to these search plugins right here, search up Zapier, or what else you can do is actually go to the popular page right here. Go to the third page and go to the bottom right and press on Zapier. Now what it's going to do is actually redirect you. So if you were to go ahead and press on install right here, it's going to redirect you to Zapier, where if you have an account, you can sign into that account and then link this with ChatGPT. So I'm not going to do that for this video, but you can go ahead and press on install right here. Sign into your ChatGPT, or sorry, my apologies. Sign into your Zapier account on Zapier, and then it should be linked. And to make sure that it is linked, if you were to exit out of this, go to no plugins installed. Zapier should appear on this screen. Simply just highlight it, press on select, and there you go. Pretty self-explanatory. But that's how you guys can install the Zapier plugin here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.